Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is an 8-month update on a frontal U, which I forgot was a repair case. And this guy had gone to a place that advertises a lot, and boy, if you look at this before picture, there isn't any hair there.
No.
And so with the typical frontal U, you had a decent tuft. We put that in a rubber band, shaved behind it, and put these 2,500 grafts in. And then at a week, that rubber band comes off, and he flops some hair over, and he went back to work. He works in a prominent position here in DC. And then he walked in at 8 months, like a week ago, and he did this little video. So Steve, you just walked in today, and we repaired your case that was done at some national chain, don't say their name, in the past. And you're at 8 months. Remember, I just finished telling you it on your redo, guys. It takes probably 15 or 16 months before it's really finished. But at 8 months, you look pretty good.
Yeah, I'm happy with it.
And I'll have a picture of your head, your before, up to the side of what we're talking about now. Was that pretty upfront with you?
Mm-hmm. Yes, totally.
Bend over one time, please. And so at some point, we might have to deal with that crown. And then would you spin around and face the blue wall?
Mm-hmm.
And this is you with, what length haircut do you typically have?
I mean, I guess like this is kind of like typical what I have right now.
So that's me being in your head once and somebody else being in it once. And you got real white skin. Anybody ever see that scar?
No.
Okay. And you can spin back around. I don't have your face. Anything you think people ought to know that are looking at this video?
Yeah, I mean, it's been a great process, and I really like working with Dr. Lindsey, and I just would say, it does take a while. Which is, at the end of the day, you want good results. That's the important thing. So I'm very happy with it so far.
All right, man. I'd like to see you again in about 8 months.
Sounds good.
So that's pretty good. I'd forgotten until I looked at his video again that he was a repair case, and so at 8 months it's still somewhat fine. And on repair cases, it takes 15 months or so.
Yeah, so he's probably half.
Probably half
grown. Yeah.
So hopefully we'll get him back around Valentine's Day or St. Patrick's Day and get a final video. But he looks good. And,
I mean, just like that was his result. He looks really good.
Yeah, but it'll get better.
Yeah, it's looking more. Yeah.
And so this is just a quick video, food for thought. Do your research. I think the problem he had at the other place was they probably didn't trim him down, sprinkled a few hairs over too much scalp, and then by not cutting the hair, the doctor couldn't make the holes very good, and the techs couldn't see it.
Didn't see it, and then on top of that, when you wash your hair, you pull those grafts out too.
Yeah.
So there's a lot.
We see it all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.